Timing belts, how hard could they be? Well, I've made my fair share of mistakes, and hopefully what I've learned I can pass on to you. Next.
This video is sponsored by Nissan, innovation that excites. Visit partsadvantage.nissanusa.com for more information.
Hey, a timing belt may be routine maintenance in the owner's manual, but there's nothing routine about some jobs. Timing belts are a very complex component on the vehicle, and if you don't do them right, you could destroy the engine. I know, I've made those mistakes. So here are 3 mistakes that I've made and what I've learned from them. Number 1, disconnect the negative battery cable. I learned this the hard way. How? Well, I had a tool that was sitting on the radiator support and it rolled down into the engine bay and onto the starter. It managed to bump the starter when I was doing the timing belt. This caused the engine to go out of time. I didn't realize it at the time, and I thought that there was a problem with the engine. Turns out, well, the starter just bumped the engine over too far, and I had to redo the whole timing belt. Number 2, always inspect. Make sure that you look at the timing belt that's on the vehicle, even if it hasn't failed. Look inside the covers and make sure there's no buildup of debris inside of the old timing belt. This could indicate an alignment problem. It can also point towards other leaks with some of the seals and even the water pump itself. Check the pulleys. There could be an in-play situation with the camshafts or crank, and you may want to check it out with a straight edge. Number 3, 720 degrees. This is the amount of crankshaft rotation, in other words, 2 times around, to get 1 turn of a camshaft. This is why you need to turn the engine over 3 to 4 times to check the alignment and tension of the new belt. If you don't do this and only turn the crankshaft over once, you could be missing a tension or alignment problem. So there's the 3 tips. Disconnect the battery cable, always inspect, and turn the engine over at least 3 to 4 times. If you do this, you won't make some of the mistakes that I made early on. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.